Most people choose field service software based on brand name alone, and that's where they go wrong. Because in 2026, the difference between the right platform and the wrong one can mean lost jobs, slower scheduling, and messy operations that cost real money. Here's the truth no one tells you. Vonigo and Housecall Pro are both strong, but they are built for very different types of businesses. And picking the wrong one can actually slow your team down instead of helping it. In this video, you'll clearly understand what each platform does best, where it struggles, and which one fits your business size and workflow. By the end, you'll know exactly which tool is worth your money in 2026. Let's start with Housecall Pro. It is designed for small to mid-sized home service businesses like cleaning, HVAC, plumbing, and electrical work. The focus is simplicity. You get scheduling, invoicing, online booking, and basic CRM features in one clean dashboard. But here's the catch. It can feel limited once your team starts scaling, or you need advanced workflow customization. Now here's where it gets interesting. Vonigo is built more like an enterprise-level system. It focuses on multi-location operations, franchise businesses, and companies that need deep customization. You get advanced booking logic, route optimization, and stronger automation for complex service structures. But that power comes with a trade-off. It is not as beginner-friendly, and setup takes more time. So if you are a solo contractor or small team, Housecall Pro is usually the faster win. You can get started quickly, manage jobs easily, and avoid technical complexity. For example, a local HVAC technician named Jake can run his entire day from mobile without needing training. But if you are managing multiple crews, locations, or franchises, Vonigo starts making more sense. Imagine a company owner named Alex who has teams in different cities. He needs centralized control, custom workflows, and deeper reporting. That is where Vonigo performs better. But here's the problem most people miss. They choose based on features instead of workflow size. And that leads to overpaying for complexity, or outgrowing the software too fast. So, here's the simple breakdown. Housecall Pro is best for simplicity, speed, and small teams. Vonigo is best for scale, customization, and complex operations. If you want something easy and fast, go with Housecall Pro. If you need control and enterprise structure, Vonigo is the stronger choice. The key takeaway is simple. Don't pick the most powerful tool. Pick the one that matches how your business actually works today. If this helped you understand the difference clearly, comment and subscribe for more software breakdowns like this.